Hi, my name is Adam Brewster, and I live in Weymouth, Massachusetts. There were two water main breaks on my street, which caused about 2 feet of water in my basement. So after this happened, every time it rained, I would continue to get water in the basement. So I reached out to DryZone Systems. So I did some online research, and you guys had really good reviews online. So I'm definitely that generation that likes to do my research. So I had the sales representative come out, and he just did a really great job. So I went with you guys. So what you ended up doing is installing a full perimeter drainage system. So basically digging up around the perimeter of my inside of my home. And then what we ended up doing is adding a backup battery and a new pump. So in the event that I lost power, I'd have time to restore power if I were to ever get water again. Knock on wood, it's been probably 4 or 5 months. We have had some heavy rain, obviously, in New England, and I haven't had any water, which is great. Hands down, so I grew up in a customer service industry. I have to say, Kevin, who came out and really inspected the site, as well as Josh and his team who installed it, no pressure, explained the process, and just very communicative. So they would email or text and really did a nice job explaining the entire process. So I would absolutely recommend you guys, explain the different processes that you guys can do. I went with a more robust install, but overall very happy. Couldn't say anything better than 5 stars. I thought I would come home and have my house an absolute mess, but I have to say when I came home, they did a great job cleaning up. It was obviously my lower level, but they taped off the doorway to my upstairs, and the vents were covered, and they gave me instructions, make sure you turn the heat off so that, the heat or the air conditioning isn't going so it doesn't blow upstairs. So that was really great, not knowing what I was getting into. If you're concerned about water in your home, it's definitely, something that's concerning, and I would absolutely recommend that you look into the systems that you can have. And there's the vapor barrier, there's the French drain system. It's not an all-in-one, you have to do everything, but everybody has their own kind of tailored a la carte needs. So do your research and just ask questions.